Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern, beautiful pattern. You can make many things with this pattern, whatever you want to make. If you want to make baby blanket, I hope you will like it. I use very soft yarn for if you want to make baby blanket. So just make even number. You can make 90 chains, just whatever you want. Just make first even number, like I'm gonna make like 20. For this I made 20 chain, then add one, you can say add or plus one more chain extra. Total I made 21 chains. So I will show you this pattern. It's lovely pattern. I really love this pattern. I hope you will love it. So let's start. This is loop. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So whatever do you want to make. If you want to make baby blanket, you should make even number, like I made 20, and then add one to make odd. Then single crochet in next stitch, 2 3 4 5 6. So I will show you at the end. I'm gonna continue with single crochet. I'll show you at the end. So viewers, I am at the end. I have 20 single crochet. For example, if you want to make 90 chains, then make 91, then you should have 90 single crochet. So for example, that's why even number you need 1 2 3 chain 3, yarn over. Sorry, I'm gonna make in the first same stitch here. Okay, like this. Make height the same, yarn over, next stitch, same height, yarn over, next stitch. Then you should have same height for this. Pull through all of them like this, yarn over. So always you need to make first stitch in the same, first time in the same stitch. So here 1, yarn over in next stitch, yarn over in next stitch, then pull through all together, make chain, yarn over, first stitch same, then next, then next, same height, pull through, then make chain, yarn over, same stitch in the same stitch, make first loop, next, yarn over, next, pull through, make chain, yarn over, same stitch, next, next. So always you should have all loops, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 loops. Always you need 7 loops. So same stitch, next, next, chain 1, same loops, pull through, make chain. So same place, next, next, pull through, make chain, yarn over, same stitch, sorry, next stitch, next, so pull through, chain. Here you need all the time at the end one stitch. I have one stitch. I'm gonna make here double crochet. You can see how it's look like. It's so beautiful, this pattern. Chain 1. So first single crochet I'm gonna make here in the top of this double crochet, then in the gap, then look like eye in there in this stitch, so single crochet there, then in the between them in the gap make 1 single crochet, then in the eye between them. So I'm gonna continue like this in the eye. So at the end you need same amount, like 20. I made 20 first, then I need 20 between them in the eye, single crochet, then between 1 in the eye, between in the eye, then between in the eye, between them, between in the eye. So at the end, which is the chain 3, I'm gonna make the single crochet. You can see how it's pretty, this pattern. I love this pattern. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna turn my yarn, so I'm gonna turn my work, yarn over, always same in the same stitch, take loop, same height, yarn over, next stitch, yarn over, next stitch, 7 loops on the hook, pull through, make chain, yarn over, same, next, then next, 7 loops on the hook, make sure you need to make same height, same, next, next, pull through, make chain, same, next, next, same, next, next, pull through, next, same, next, next, pull through, chain, same, next, next, pull through, chain, yarn over. I have lost one loop. Next stitch, make double crochet. So it's beautiful, amazing. So same in the gap, in the eye, again between them, in the eye, between them, in the eye, between them, in the eye, one single crochet, between them, in the eye, between them, in the eye, between them, in the eye, between them. So continue like this, in the eye, last one in the chain 3, top of the chain 3. So I'm gonna continue like this. You can see both sides. This pattern is amazing. I hope you will love it. I'm gonna make a bit more, then I will show you how it look like. Okay viewers, my model is ended now. I'm gonna stop now in here. So it looks amazing. This pattern is fantastic. I hope you will like it. Please, if you like, thumbs up and like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. So I hope both sides are pretty good. This is back side, this is front side. It's so amazing pattern. I hope you will love this pattern.